So in this video, I'll be showing you how I turned my useless TV with no browser or no YouTube applications to making a fully functional Android TV just using an old laptop and an HDMI cable. So here is the laptop, and this laptop's display does not work, and that means you cannot see this display. The touchpad is also non-functional, and it also does not have any battery, so it directly runs on power. So this useless laptop is going to be used to make this TV or properly running smart TV and use its full efficiency. So how to do it? Let's start the video. So firstly you will need an HDMI cable, which I have plugged here, the one end to my laptop and another end to my TV. Next up I have plugged in the charger of the laptop, and I am clicking on this power button to turn it on. So it will be turned on, but the display is not visible, so we will be knowing that it has turned on from this indicator light here. So next, let's move to the TV screen. Since this HDMI cable was connected to HDMI port 2, so let me switch to HDMI port 2. Or was it connected to HDMI 1? Let me check. So it was connected to HDMI 1, and here the screen that you are seeing is the screen of my laptop, which is currently not visible because of its defection in display, but I can see it in my computer screen. So if here I press any key such as this window key, so let me press this window key. Here the window button has worked properly. Now if I open this Microsoft Edge and I go to YouTube, for example, if I go to YouTube, so I can surf the whole internet using this trash PC and my TV. And another thing is how to connect or how to control mouse and keyboard, because I do not want to manually come here and click on the buttons or keyboards, as well as my mouse or touchpad is defective where I cannot press this right click. Even if I click this, nothing will happen because it is defective. So I have a solution for that too. So you have to head to browser and search for unified remote application. So this is the application. You have to download it on your PC, and once you install it on your PC, you have to download it on your mobile screen, so that if you are connected to a same Wi-Fi network, then you will be able to control the mouse as well as keyboard settings from your mobile. I will also show you by doing this. So here I have connected my mobile to the PC, and if I move my finger here around the screen, then you can see that the mouse is also moving. So if I just double tap it, so let me go here and double tap it, then here it will work as a right click. I will also show you a double clicking. So in the screen you can see a right click is commanded. So if I want to open any application like Microsoft Edge, I can simply go here, and here I need to search. Then I can just go to this search button from this keyboard and search for, so let me go to this keyboard and search for youtube.com. Now when I search this and hit enter, then in the TV it will automatically search for youtube.com, where I can also move my cursor here and there and play any video that I want. So this video may seem rushed, but if you have any problem or if you encounter any confusion while doing this, then feel free to contact me in the comment section or from the about section. You can DM me on my Instagram. I will help you out there. Thank you for watching this video.